Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we make our pancake. Commercial pancake. It's very delicious and sweet. So like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you. Yeah guys, we are going to make commercial pancake. So like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe so that you not miss any of my videos. Thank you. So guys, making this commercial pancake, these are the recipes. This is a cup of flour that I'm using. This is a 2 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, then egg, one large egg. So I'm going to mix them together. I pour in my sugar, then a pinch of salt, then I'll mix it together. At this point, I'm going to place my non-sticker pan on fire, then start frying it. Going to add a little oil, very little.